Home Minister Amit Shah, he set the tone for the upcoming assembly elections in Maharashtra, and he fired a no-holds-barred attack on leaders of the Mahavikas Aghadi. In his speech in Pune, from Uddhav Thackeray to Sharad Pawar to Rahul Gandhi, Home Minister Amit Shah spared no one. What is being touted as his fiercest ever attack on the BJP's political opponents, he targeted Uddhav Thackeray and he went on to call him the leader of the Aurangzeb fan club. Then he went on to sharpen his attack further and accused Uddhav Thackeray of not taking Balasaheb Thackeray's legacy forward, but accusing him of then pandering to those who fed biryani to Ajmal Kasab and those who backed Yaqub Memon. Let's listen in.
औरंगजेब फैन क्लब कौन है? ठीक है, अघाड़ी वाले हैं। और उसका नेता कौन है? श्रीमान उद्धव ठाकरे औरंगजेब फैन क्लब के नेता बने। अपने आप को बाला साहब का वारिस कहने वाले उद्धव जी कसाब को बिरयानी खिलाने वाले लोगों के साथ बैठे हैं। उद्धव जी याकूब को छोड़ने की गुहार लगाने वाले के साथ आप बैठे हो। जाकिर नाइक को मैसेंजर ऑफ पीस बनाने वालों की गोदी में उद्धव जी आप बैठे हो। पीएफआई को सपोर्ट करने वालों की गोदी में उद्धव ठाकरे आप बैठे हो और संभाजी नगर का विरोध करने वाले की गोदी में उद्धव ठाकरे आप बैठे हो। आपको शर्म आनी चाहिए।
Shrishti is joining us live and she is in Pune. She was covering the rally. And in that speech, Shrishti, many are saying that it has set the tone for the elections, the upcoming elections in Maharashtra. It has also gone ahead and enthused the cadre. But what Amit Shah, Home Minister Amit Shah, said about Uddhav Thackeray is being considered one of his most fiercest ever attack, from accusing him of pandering to a certain vote bank. So taking away from, that the whole plank of being for those who are Hindutvavadis. Amit Shah goes on to say that Uddhav Thackeray is now the leader of the Aurangzeb fan club.
Well, of course, it was a massive attack on Uddhav Thackeray by Home Minister Amit Shah, as he mentioned the fact that Aghadi wale hai Aurangzeb fan club ke members. This was the exact sentence which was used by Amit Shah. He also gone on to say that Uddhav Thackeray is a leader of Aurangzeb fan club. And this is a massive attack on Uddhav Thackeray, wherein he also mentioned that Uddhav Thackeray is a person who is sitting in the laps of people who have fed biryani to the kasab. He is sitting in the laps of people who supported Zakir Khan and several other who are anti-national people, and that was the stalking attack which was done by Home Minister Amit Shah on Uddhav Thackeray. He also mentioned the fact that Uddhav Thackeray cannot secure Maharashtra as well as the nation, and that's why Modi ji should come again and BJP should come back in the state of Maharashtra. And importantly, in this entire Karyakarni Baitak, that means it was a meeting of Karyakartas of BJP, a massive meeting wherein he addressed the Karyakartas to set a tone for upcoming Maharashtra elections. As we have seen the kind of response BJP and the entire alliance got in Lok Sabha election, that was a big setback. So that's why, to set a tone, this was attack raised by Home Minister Amit Shah, not only on Uddhav Thackeray but also on Sharad Pawar. He went on to say that he has
talk about what Home Minister Amit Shah said about NCP SP chief Sharad Pawar and also his comment on Rahul Gandhi. But first, let's keep our focus on what Uddhav Thackeray said on, what Amit Shah said about Uddhav Thackeray. Shrishti, put this in context, because it's all coming after everybody knows about the bitter breakup between these allies. Then we also saw what happened when it comes to Eknath Shinde and the split of the Shiv Sena, and also the recently concluded elections. After that, the changing dynamics in the state of Maharashtra. So this election that's going to take place in the state is going to, it's a test of sorts because of the changing dynamics, changing political dynamics and landscape in the state. So is this the first time that Home Minister Amit Shah has in fact accused Uddhav Thackeray of pandering to certain communal forces. But before I come to you, Shrishti, the Shiv Sena UBT has responded to Uddhav Thackeray, to Amit Shah, Home Minister Amit Shah's blistering attack on Uddhav Thackeray, and they say that this is nothing but a bid by the BJP to defame Uddhav as anti-Hindu. Let's listen in.
महाराष्ट्र की धरती 400 साल पहले न तो आदिल शाह के सामने झुकी थी और न तो आज अमित शाह के सामने झुकने को तैयार है। सारे षड्यंत्र करने के बाद भी, सारे जुमलेबाजी करने के बाद भी, पार्टियों को तोड़ने के बाद भी, चुनाव चिन्ह लेने के बाद भी, सरकार गिराने के बाद भी भारतीय जनता पार्टी को महाराष्ट्र की जनता ने केवल 17 सीटें दिए 48 में से। ये बेचैनी, ये बौखलाहट न तो दिल्ली को पसंद आ रही है, न भारतीय जनता पार्टी महाराष्ट्र के नेताओं को पसंद आ रही है। उसी को देखते हुए अमित शाह ये बयानबाजी कर रहे हैं। आज आदरणीय शरद पवार साहब इनके लिए सरगना हो गए, भ्रष्टाचार के सबसे बड़े सरगना, और उन्हीं के सगे भतीजे अजीत पवार साहब इनके लिए संत हो गए हैं, इनको संत लग रहे हैं, और शरद पवार साहब सरगना लग रहे हैं। मतलब शरद पवार साहब आज अगर इनके बगल में जाकर बैठ जाएं तो पूरे विश्व के सबसे महान आत्मा हो जाएंगे, और अगर उनके सामने खड़े होकर डटकर उनका सामना कर रहे हैं तो भ्रष्टाचार के सरगना हो गए। उद्धव ठाकरे साहब अगर इनका डटकर सामना कर रहे हैं तो औरंगजेब हो गए हैं, औरंगजेब फैंस क्लब के मेंबर हो गए हैं, और अगर इनके साथ जाकर बैठ जाएं तो पूरे दुनिया के एक चमत्कारिक पुरुष हो जाएंगे और महान संतों और ऋषि मुनियों में गिनती ये लोग बीजेपी वाले करने लगेंगे। इसका साफ संदेश है कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी दबाव की राजनीति करती है, अपने पास बिठाना चाहती है। अगर आप उनके सामने खड़े हैं, आंख में आंख पर मिलाकर बात करते हैं, तो आप दुनिया के सबसे बेकार व्यक्ति हैं। दुनिया के जितने भी बड़े से बड़े अपराध आपने ही किए हैं। ये कैसी राजनीति है? ये गंदी राजनीति है। इसका जवाब आपको विधानसभा के चुनाव में मिलेगा, 100% मिलेगा।
All right, so that's the first reaction from the Uddhav Sena. Now, leaders of the Shiv Sena UBT have to say that if there is someone who in fact joins hands with the BJP, they are in fact touted as the most righteous politicians. But in case you confront them and you oppose them, you are then branded as, a sargana of corruption and the leader of the Aurangzeb fan club. That's the reaction from the Shiv Sena UBT that's coming in. But now let's tell you about what Amit Shah said when it comes to Sharad Pawar, the NCP SP chief. He called Sharad Pawar the sargana of corruption, one leader who institutionalized graft in the state of Maharashtra. Listen into that attack.
ये भ्रांति फैलाकर चुनाव जीतना चाहते हैं और भ्रष्टाचार की बातें कर रहे हैं। भ्रष्टाचार का सबसे बड़ा सरगना भारत की राजनीति में है तो शरद पवार है। इसमें मेरे मन में कोई कंफ्यूजन नहीं। आप क्या आरोप कर रहे हो हम पर? इस देश में कोई भी सरकार में भ्रष्टाचार को संस्थागत करने का काम, इंस्टीट्यूशनलाइज करने का काम अगर किसी ने किया तो शरद पवार आपने किया है। मैं डंके की चोट पर कह कर दे।
Mahesh Tapse of the NCP SP is joining us on this broadcast. Amit Shah has accused Sharad Pawar of institutionalizing corruption in the state of Maharashtra. He's used a term for him in his speech in Pune. He's called him corruption ka sargana. How do you respond to that allegation, Mr. Tapse?
Mr. Amit Shah ji, who's the Home Minister of the country, should realize that these allegations are totally baseless and out of context. The electorate of Maharashtra and the residents and citizens of Maharashtra do not accept these kind of baseless allegations. If you have any iota of evidence against Mr. Sharad Pawar, please proceed to the highest authority in the country. You are yourself handling the Home Department. And if you make such baseless allegations, like the Prime Minister had made a baseless allegation that NCP is a naturally corrupt party, but he inducts Ajit Pawar, against whom his party had made an allegation of 70,000 crores. they have so many of the people from Congress party, from Aam Aadmi party, from Mamata Banerjee's TMC party, against whom investigations are on for some context or the other by the ED and by the other organizations, but they were inducted in the BJP. So Mr. Amit Shah's statement does not hold ground when he says that Sharad Pawar ji has institutionalized corruption. In fact, all the people against whom corruption charges were there, and the allegations were made by the BJP itself, not by any investigating agency, but the BJP itself made these allegations, and these very people are now with the BJP, either in the party or supporting the government from outside, or in leading a breakaway group supporting the BJP. And now if you see, the government had itself said that out of the 24 all cases, 17 or 18 are now in cold storage, and most of the people have been absolved from the cases.
Mr. Taapsee, so many leaders of the BJP go on to say that, they are unsparing when it comes to the issue of corruption. Even when you fire the washing machine charge, or you give them the reminders of the cases that the current Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Mr. Ajit Pawar, has, they say that we've not stopped any probe against them. So when it comes to corruption, we are unsparing, and even if a leader joins our party, the probe will continue. How do you respond to that?
No, my question is, BJP made a serious allegation against Ajit Pawar, allegation of 70,000 crores. Deputy CM at that point of time, Mr. Devendra Fadnavis, said that Ajit Pawar will go to jail and he'll do chakki piecing. Very remarkable dialogue that he had made. Now he does 2 attempts of swearing-in ceremony along with Ajit Pawar. One in 2019, when early morning swearing-in ceremony takes place, where Devendra Fadnavis along with Ajit Pawar as the Deputy CM swear in the office. And now again it has happened last year. He has taken after breaking over the Shiv Sena, they have taken Ajit Pawar. So, I mean, these are very contrary to the statement or
so
to
the charge coming in from the NCP SP today, interjecting you there, Mr. Taapsee, because we have more reactions coming in. The charge coming in from the NCP SP is that there is a contradiction in what the BJP does, and they're constantly giving them the reminders of the statements that leaders of the BJP made before Ajit Pawar was taken on board. So the washing machine charge has returned. But there are more leaders of the NCP SP who are also countering Union Home Minister Amit Shah's corruption ka sargana barb against their leader Sharad Pawar. Let's listen in.
Mr. Amit Shah spoke about